We are BOLOTOR, and this is the Bolo Pack, the all-in-one solution that stands up to anything and everything you encounter in the outdoors. It's the world's first and only backpack that opens up to a tarp, that doubles as a hammock, and a sidewall to a pop-up tent. That's also a drain tarp, and even a tool organizer, so you stay prepared for whatever the day brings. This also attaches to our soft cooler to keep your beers ice cold and your meals piping hot. But it's also the perfect travel bag with our premium waterproof and airtight material that keeps out moisture no matter what conditions you're facing. Our patented Bolo Tarp and Bolo Cooler combo gives you nearly limitless options for your outdoor adventures and travel. The Bolo Tarp is UV treated and built to be flexible even in Arctic conditions. Reinforced seatbelt grade handles and heavy-duty grommets around the perimeter ensures the pack is as tough as you are, with nearly limitless applications. The versatile pockets on the Bolo Tarp offers countless of applications for the most ardent adventurer, or even just a casual outdoor enthusiast. Perfect for storing your fishing gear, such as your tackle box or bait, or keeping your hunting gear separated and organized, or even as a barbecue kit for all your outdoor cooking needs. It's also the world's best picnic pad, whether you're at the soccer game, out at the lake, or even at the beach. Our patented fold and roll design enables you to store a variety of items in the pockets and fold and roll them up to make for easy transport, giving it more organization and utility than any other pack on the market. Whether you're deep in the bush or at a tailgate with your buddies, never get rained out again. In fact, bring all the rain you got, because Bolo Packs are 100% waterproof. The Bolo Tarp also makes for a great fly tarp, and you could use the rain to your advantage by collecting or diverting water with its universal 3/4-inch drain, perfect for emergencies and survival situations. We've designed the Bolo Pack with TPU exterior material and dense insulation that offers a lightweight but super heavy-duty pack with thick foam-insulated straps for maximum comfort, even on long treks. The heavy-duty buckles and patented weather-resistant Velcro symbol attaches the Bolo Tarp to the Bolo Cooler to ensure maximum stability. Translation? Once it's attached, it's not going anywhere. The cooler's center pocket is perfect for storing your phone, wallet, and any accessories you need to keep safe, but accessible for a moment's notice. And the expandable drink holders on both sides of the cooler hold your drinks tight for easy transport. The double-sided clips enable the Bolo Tarp to attach to the Bolo Cooler, or secure the Bolo Tarp for a standalone lightweight foldable pack. Our initial offering here on Kickstarter includes our Bolo Tarp with or without pockets, and the Bolo Soft Cooler. We also have the 8x8 Bolo pop-up tent, which perfectly fits the Bolo Tarp to create the ultimate outdoor shelter. We also have the Bolo Blanket, a super heavy-duty but soft, waterproof, durable blanket built for rugged adventures. The perfect companion for the Bolo Tarp in hammock mode or picnic pad mode. This product is the ultimate combination of superior engineering, optimized functionality, versatility, and maximum comfort. Our factory orders have already been made, and the product is on its way to our warehouse, ready for fulfillment. So there won't be a long wait to get your order after the project is funded. And if that wasn't enough, we're also offering, exclusively for our Kickstarter backers only, a lifetime warranty. At BOLOTOR, we are outdoor adventurers and modern-day travelers at heart, just like you. That's why we put the most amount of care, quality, and attention to detail possible to make sure that this is a product we are proud to offer, no matter how big or small your adventure might be. We are BOLOTOR, and this is the Bolo Pack. So get ready, be on the lookout, and get ready to go anywhere.